Presenting a pre-owned 2022 Toyota Prius. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder, 1.8-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 54 miles per gallon in the city, and 50 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.